Hello smart kids, welcome to Playful Learning with me, Miss Anna. Alright, let's continue to learn our phonics sound. Okay, ready? Great. Okay, I have this. Do you know what sound is this? Yes, you're right. Okay, very good. Okay, can we say the sound together one more time? Okay, pretending that we feel tired and then say okay, ready? Very good. Okay, now let's say the words that start with sound. Okay, can you tell me what? Yes, you're right. Hands. Very good. What else? Hippo. Good job. Anything else? Very good. Horse. Okay. And then? Yes, a house. Good job. What else? Very good. Hammer. Okay, good job, kids. Okay, now let's try to write the sound together. Okay, let's do it. Very good. One more time. Follow the arrow, okay? Good job, kids. Okay, kids. Now we are going to spot the sound of. Okay, ready? Great. Okay, I have grasshopper. Grasshopper. Okay, can you spot the sound? Yes, you're right. It's in the middle. Good job. Okay, next I have hat. Hat. Where is the sound? Very good. It's in the beginning. Good job. And then next, I have forehead. Forehead. Where is the sound? Great. It's in the middle. And the last one, I have hop. 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 Where is the sound? Yes. It's in the beginning. Yay! Very good, kids. Okay, now it's time for riddle.
It's time for riddle. Hi friends, it's me, PL. Are you ready to play? Okay, this is an animal and it's a mother chicken. And this animal sound like pok 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 pok. What it could be? Yes, you're right, friends. It's a hen. Yay! We did it, friends. Yes. Good job, friends. Good job, friends. Good job, good job, good job, friends. Alright, friends. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Right, kids. Now let's review. What sound is this? Very good. Okay, good job, kids. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.